Are you struggling to manage your social media presence? A disorganized posting schedule can hurt your engagement. Introducing SocialBee's social media content calendar. Build your calendar from scratch or use our free 14-day trial. Generate content with AI and schedule posts effortlessly. You'll receive over 350 post ideas to spark creativity. Our editable Canva templates ensure your visuals stand out. Track your performance all in one place with our advanced analytics. What sets SocialBee apart? Our unique collaboration features allow your entire team to work seamlessly, ensuring everyone stays aligned. Don't wait. Start your free trial today, transform your social media game now.